Stop saying these mistakes right now. Here are 10 English errors many Spanish speakers make.
Great. I think I make all of them.
Mistake number 1, saying I have 20 years.
But I have 20 years.
In English, say I am 20 years old.
I'm 20 years old. Got it.
Example, my sister is 15 years old.
Not, my sister has 15 years.
Exactly.
What's mistake number 2?
Confusing actually and currently.
Actually, I live in London now.
That means in fact. If you mean now, say currently, I live in London.
Currently, I live in London.
And actually, I changed my mind.
2 different meanings.
Exactly.
Next one.
Mistake number 3, saying I'm agree.
I am agree with you.
No. Say I agree with you
I agree with you.
or I completely agree.
That sounds much better.
Mistake number 4, using people is.
People is happy today.
People is plural. Say, people are happy today.
People are happy today.
Perfect.
Number 5.
Using the too much.
The life is beautiful.
Usually just say, life is beautiful.
Life is beautiful.
Another one, school starts at 8. Not the school starts at 8 in general statements.
Articles are tricky.
They are.
What's next?
Mistake number 6, saying I have hungry.
I have hungry right now.
Say I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Also, I'm thirsty.
Not I have thirsty.
Correct.
Number 7.
Confusing fun and funny.
The party was very funny.
If you mean enjoyable, say the party was fun.
And funny means it makes you laugh.
Exactly. That joke was funny.
Good distinction.
Mistake number 8, forgetting the subject.
Is raining today.
English needs a subject. Say it is raining today.
It is raining today.
Also, it is cold.
Even if it doesn't refer to anything specific.
Exactly.
Number 9.
Using make and do incorrectly.
I made my homework.
Say I did my homework,
I did my homework.
but I made a cake.
Do homework. Make a cake.
Perfect.
And the final mistake.
Mistake number 10, saying people when you mean person.
There's many people? Wait.
One person. Two people.
One person is waiting.
And many people are waiting.
That makes sense.
Quick review. Years old, currently agree. People are, life is beautiful.
I'm hungry. Parties are fun. It is raining. Do homework. One person.
Excellent summary.
Can I try a full sentence?
Go for it.
Currently, I am 20 years old. I agree with you and I did my homework.
Perfect English.
And people are happy because the party was fun,
Excellent.
not funny.
Only if someone danced like a chicken.
Actually, I did dance like a chicken.
Then the party was fun and you were funny.